The City of San Diego Recall Ordinance. Know your rights.
Hi, this is Bridget Browning. I'm with Unite Here Local 30. We are the union for hotel workers in San Diego County.
You may have the right to be recalled to work. If you worked for a hotel with 200 rooms or more in the City of San Diego for at least 6 months between March 4th, 2019 and March 4th, 2020, or if you worked for an event center for at least 3 months between March 4th, 2019 and March 4th, 2020, and you were laid off on or after March 4th, 2020. Starting September 8th, 2020, and until March 8th, 2021, if there are vacancies at your hotel or event center for which you are qualified, your company has to offer you a position by mail, email, or text. Being qualified means either you have done the same or similar job before you were laid off, or you can do the available job with basic training. You will be offered positions based on your company's seniority. You will first be offered a position that is the same or similar to what you worked before you were laid off. If those positions are filled and you are the most senior person on layoff who can do an open position with basic training, you must be offered the position. How long do you have to accept the offer? You have 3 days to respond to the offer, not counting weekends and holidays. What happens if you are not recalled and someone less senior than you is? Your company has to explain to you in writing why you were not offered the job. What can you do if you believe your rights have been violated? You can sue your company in court. If you win, you may get your job back with back pay and other damages. And if you win, the company has to pay for your legal costs. Your company cannot fire you, reduce your pay, or otherwise retaliate against you for fighting for your rights under this law. What information is your company required to give you now? Your company has to give you something in writing that tells you the date you were laid off and explains your rights under the new law by October 8th of 2020. Or if you were laid off after October 8th, 2020, your company has to give you the information at the time you were laid off. What if your company has been sold after you were laid off? You still have a right to return to work if you are qualified.